Have you noticed any streetlights out in your neighborhood? The issue might be as simple as a faulty bulb, photosensor, or fuse. In this case, we can usually get it fixed quickly. Sometimes, however, the problem is a bit more complex. Like when the ground shifts under the sidewalk or road and breaks a cable. In those cases, it can take a lot longer to get the streetlight working again. We'll do our best to get things back to normal as quickly as we can. If you see a streetlight out, it's easy to report it on our streetlight map. You can find it online at saskpower.com, the Sask Power mobile app, or even through your MySask Power account. By pinpointing the exact location, you'll help us find the issue and work on getting it fixed. We're not the only ones who own streetlights. If you can't find it on the map, it might be too new, privately owned, or belong to your city or town. If you're not sure, give us a call at 1-888-757-6937 and we'll help figure it out. Thanks for helping us keep the lights on.